Understanding the type code for the MKD synchronous motor. The MKD025B. MKD denotes the product type as a synchronous motor. 025 denotes a motor size of 025. B denotes a motor length of B. 144 denotes the winding code for the motor is 144. G denotes a resolver feedback motor encoder. Position detective is relative. G denotes the drive shaft design is plain shaft with a shaft seal. 0 denotes a lack of a holding brake. K denotes a power connection direction to side B via a connection box. N denotes no special design for the motor housing. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all MKD sales and replacements.